In traditional Excel models, each month lives on its own sheet. January, February, March, 12 sheets per year, formulas duplicated, layouts copied, updates repeated. It looks organized, but structurally it increases risk. More sheets mean more duplication, more maintenance, more inconsistency, more errors. We chose a different architecture. Instead of multiplying sheets, we centralized logic. At the top of this dashboard, month tabs act as a control layer. One selection, one control cell, one reporting engine. When a month is clicked, the system doesn't jump to another page. It recalculates instantly. The master transaction table remains untouched. The engine filters the data. The KPIs update. The income statement rebuilds. The charts redraw. Everything flows from a single source of truth. No duplication, no structural drift, no redesign when the year changes. Add new data. The engine adapts. One sheet, one architecture, multiple dynamic reporting views. This isn't just efficiency, it's governance-driven financial design, because professional systems are not built by duplicating pages. They are built by centralizing logic, structured, controlled, scalable. If you want to build this from scratch and understand the logic behind every click, follow us and comment below. In the next tutorial, I'll reveal the full architecture, step by step, from the transaction table to the dynamic income statement and dashboard engine.